If you're seeing an Epic Games payment error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most reliable fixes step by step so you can complete your purchase and get back to gaming. This is especially useful if your card keeps failing, checkout won't go through, or Epic keeps rejecting your payment even though everything looks correct. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let's get into it. First, if your direct card payment is failing, try using PayPal instead. A lot of the time, linking your debit or credit card to PayPal gives you a much smoother checkout experience on Epic Games. So go into your PayPal account, add your card there if you haven't already, then go back to Epic Games and choose PayPal as your payment method during checkout. This is often the easiest workaround when normal card processing fails. Next, check with your bank and make sure online and international transactions are enabled on your card. Epic Games often processes payments through xSolar, and some banks block that kind of transaction automatically, especially if the card hasn't been used for online purchases before. If needed, call your bank or open your banking app and confirm that your card is allowed for online payments, international payments, and recurring or third-party merchant transactions. This one step solves the problem for a lot of users. Another important fix is to wait 24 hours if you've already tried several failed payments. Too many attempts in a short period can trigger a security lock on the transaction, and Epic may temporarily block additional attempts. If that happens, the best thing you can do is stop trying for at least a full day, then come back and try again with the same method or a different one. Now, if you already have a payment method saved on your Epic account, try removing it and adding it again. Go into the Epic Games Payment Management section, delete the saved card or payment method, then re-enter the details carefully. Make sure the name, billing address, card number, expiry date, and CVV are all correct. Even a small typing error can cause the payment to fail. If you still get an error, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes the problem is not your card at all, but the browser session, cache, cookies, or device environment. Clear your browser cache, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or try completing the payment from another PC or mobile device. This can help bypass temporary checkout issues and login conflicts. You should also verify that your card has enough available funds and that your bank hasn't blocked it for low activity or suspicious activity. Some cards get declined simply because the available balance is too low, the card has expired, or the bank has placed a security hold on it. Double check your balance, make sure the CVV is correct, and confirm the card is active. If all of that still doesn't work, combining these fixes is usually the best approach. Use PayPal if possible, confirm international and online access with your bank, wait out any temporary lock, re-add your payment method, and try a different browser or device. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the Epic Games payment error. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.